Easy English practice.
Real-life English conversation.
Hi, thanks for joining us today. Let's get started. Can you introduce yourself and tell us why you're interested in this position?
Thank you for having me. I'm Mark, and I'm really excited about this opportunity because it aligns with my passion sales field. As a beginner, I'm eager to learn and grow, and I'm confident that my enthusiasm and willingness to adapt will be assets to your team.
Great. What skills or experiences do you think will help you succeed even as a beginner?
I might be at the start of my career, but I've developed strong, light communication and problem-solving through internships and courses. I'm also a fast learner and open to feedback, which I believe will help me grow quickly in this role.
That's a good attitude. Can you share a situation where you had to learn something new quickly? How did you handle it?
Absolutely. In my previous role, I had to learn teamwork. I took the initiative to research, practice, and ask for help when needed. Within a short period, I became comfortable with it and even helped others learn as well.
That's impressive. What motivates you to keep pushing yourself, especially when things get challenging?
I love the idea of progress. Whether it's learning something new or solving a problem, seeing improvement motivates me. Plus, I'm excited about the chance to contribute to something meaningful and be part of a team that makes an impact.
Wonderful. Before we wrap up, what's one reason you think you'd be a good fit here?
I believe my eagerness to learn, combined with my ability to adapt quickly, makes me a great fit. I'm ready to take on challenges and grow with the team.
Great answer. Thanks so much for your time. We really appreciate it.
Subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for more.